What's up, everybody? This is your girl Be Nice T coming straight at you from channel 54.
Don't worry about what that's nice doing.
Right now we're in the car and my nephew Robin is taking us to Sam's Club. He's driving and he has his permit. I don't think he's nervous at all, right? No. Everybody's buckled up, safety first. Brady, how does Robin drive? You drive good?
I'm eating chocolate.
You're eating what?
Chocolate.
That's a lot of chocolate. It's not all for you, is it? No.
Share.
You gotta share with people, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
After this, turn off your phone.
So, yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Miller, how does your brother Robin drive?
Good. Good.
He's good? All right. Are you buckled up?
Yeah.
Safety first. And what are you eating? Let's see. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Hopefully he'll pass his test so he can get his license.
Coconut.
He's a senior, so how's it going over there, Robin? All right. Hands at 10 and 2. I see only one hand. Okay. Cruising down Hawthorne Boulevard. Alrighty. So far, so good. As long as everyone stays in the lane, we should be fine. Alright. I'm eating mochi too. On Hawthorne Boulevard. Brady, you got anything you want to say to the people? Saranghae. Did you have fun at John's Incredible?
Well, at the end, I didn't.
How come?
I didn't get a prize.
You didn't get a prize? Ooh, where did you get your $20 from?
Grandma.
From Grandma? So you can get your prize? Okay. Yeah, we don't have to slow down a little and stay in the lanes. When I was coming from Compton, they painted the lanes, but they don't have no reflectors and no lines. So I was like driving in the other lane. I was guesstimating which lane I should have went in. Okay. Here we go. That car just cut us off. How dare. Get him, Robin. I'm just kidding. Let me throw my mochi out his window.
I did my gummy.
Do that. All right. School's almost over, huh, Brady?
Only 13 days.
How many days? 13 days. You counted?
We have a new.
You don't have to catch up that fast. They're great. Great.
Put your candies. Let's go with the flow of traffic. Who's your what? Brady, what's your teacher's name? Does she like BTS? Does your teacher like BTS? Okay. She doesn't?
What about mine?
I thought you said, oh, it's not your teacher. It's Miller's teacher?
Yeah, it's mine.
Your teacher likes BTS? What's your teacher?
Doesn't.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Lopez.
And what's her, how do you know she likes BTS?
She listens to BTS song and she even knows anime.
Ah, what's your anime? Which one?
What?
Which anime?
No. Naruto. Annie.
Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, Naruto.
She knows Naruto. She knows Haikyuu.
Oh, she does? I want to watch that.
Baby
Haikyuu.
Yoda? Haikyuu?
Baby Yoda's not.
Haikyuu, wanna watch it.
That's volleyball. I want to watch that one.
Me too.
So what are you doing now on Saturdays, Miller?
Golf.
Golf? Where? At Victoria Park?
Yeah.
Good.
I don't know.
I told you I want you to be a golfer, right? And then if you continue with your lessons and get good, I'll get you whatever you want. 5 Below is practically in your hands. Excuse me? What do you want, little girl? What do you want? All right. What do we say to the people? Salangu? Salange. Do it. Let me see, Miller. Brady. All right. Peace out.
Yeah, yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Fighting.
Push you when I punch.
Yeah.